How long does a typical foundation inspection take? All right, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. I'm here with Mark Cook. And today's question that was asked of us is, how long does a typical foundation inspection take?
Yeah, that's a great question. I get that question asked either by email, text, or phone every week. So what happens is the day before, I'll text the person, make sure that we're on schedule for, say, 10 a.m. in Santa Ana or Laguna Niguel for an appointment. I get there usually about 5 or 10 minutes early, knock on their door, hand them my business card, introduce myself. They already know what I look like based on the video I sent them, that intro video. And they already know about what I'm gonna do because I've already provided them information. So then it's pretty quick. They just walk me through the house. By living there, say for 10 years, 20 years, they say, hey, I have this diagonal drywall crack, or this stucco crack, or I can roll a golf ball down this, and it feels like a hill going down my flooring. So then I take all my measurements, I draw it on ArcSight, and I can do it with an iPad, and then I grab my zip level altimeter, and I run and get all the elevations, and I put that on the ArcSight drawing. And then I would say I have some conversation with the person regarding my findings, let them know that I'm going to digest it, take that info home, and send them that proposal that evening or that afternoon. So I would say out of 90% of my jobs are about the hour and 15-minute range. There are some large houses or there's some crawl spaces where you have to really, it adds time to it. But I would say a typical inspection would take about an hour and 15 to 30 minutes.
All right. Yeah, and that's what we typically see is anywhere from like an hour, hour and a half, like Mark was saying, depending on the size of the project. But then also depends on the amount of articles that our customers have read, videos they've watched, the education and the communication that has gone on between you and the homeowner,
right,
to help facilitate that process, speed it up a little bit for, honest, so that way you know what's going on with the home and you're not wasting that time in the home, that person get back to work, whatever it is. So again, we're trying to save you time out of your day as well as us time out of our day to maximize the amount of people that we can see with foundation issues. So appreciate it, Mark. And that is another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.